Ford is entering one of the most important product cycles in its modern history. As competition intensifies across pickups, SUVs, and electrified vehicles, the company is preparing a wave of new products aimed at strengthening its position in key markets. While Ford has not officially confirmed every future model expected for 2027, CEO Jim Farley has repeatedly outlined the company's strategy. Invest in profitable trucks and SUVs, expand hybrid offerings, improve software and technology, and develop a new generation of affordable electric vehicles. Rather than focusing on speculation, here's what the facts tell us about three major vehicle programs expected to shape Ford's 2027 lineup, and why industry experts believe they could become some of the company's biggest launches in years. Ford's strategy is changing. Over the past several years, Ford has shifted away from chasing sales volume alone. Instead, Jim Farley has emphasized building vehicles customers actually want while improving profitability. During investor presentations and public interviews, Farley has repeatedly highlighted four priorities: expanding America's best-selling truck lineup, growing hybrid vehicle production, launching a next-generation affordable EV platform, increasing software and connected technology revenue. These priorities offer valuable clues about what Ford's future lineup will look like. For 2027, three upcoming vehicle programs stand out as especially significant. 1. Next-generation Ford F-150. The Ford F-150 remains the best-selling truck in America, making it the company's most important product. Although the current generation recently received a major refresh, industry analysts expect Ford to begin preparing its next full redesign around the 2027 model year. Experts believe the next F-150 will focus less on dramatic styling changes and more on technology, efficiency, and durability. Potential improvements could include updated aluminum body panels, more aerodynamic design, new digital interior, faster infotainment system, expanded Blue Cruise hands-free driving capability, larger displays, improved towing technology. Ford is also expected to continue offering multiple powertrains rather than forcing customers into one solution. Possible engine lineup could include 2.7-liter EcoBoost V6, 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6, 5.0-liter Coyote V8, PowerBoost Hybrid, potential new hybrid improvements. Ford has made clear that hybrids remain an important part of its strategy because many truck buyers still need long driving range and strong towing capability. According to automotive analysts, hybrids may experience stronger growth than fully electric pickups during the second half of the decade. Number 2. Affordable next-generation electric vehicle. Perhaps the biggest surprise from Ford's leadership has been the company's commitment to affordable EVs. Rather than focusing exclusively on expensive electric trucks and SUVs, Ford is developing an entirely new, low-cost EV architecture. Jim Farley has described this project as a Model T moment for Ford's electric future. The platform is being designed by a specialized engineering team often referred to as Ford's Skunk Works EV group. Its goals include lower manufacturing costs, reduced battery expenses, higher efficiency, better software integration, competitive pricing. Industry experts expect this platform to support multiple body styles, including compact crossover, small SUV, potential compact pickup, commercial vehicles. Although official production timing continues to evolve, many analysts expect the first products based on this platform to arrive around 2027. If successful, this strategy could allow Ford to compete more directly with lower-priced EVs entering the global market. Number 3. Expanded hybrid SUV lineup. Another area receiving major investment is hybrids. Ford has repeatedly stated that customer demand for hybrids continues to exceed production capacity. Rather than treating hybrids as a temporary bridge, the company now views them as a long-term business opportunity. Experts expect Ford to increase hybrid availability across several SUV models, including future versions of Escape, Explorer, Bronco, Maverick, Expedition. Some future SUVs could receive improved battery systems that increase fuel efficiency without sacrificing capability. This approach allows Ford to meet stricter emissions regulations while giving customers familiar gasoline-powered driving experiences. Industry analysts believe hybrids may become one of Ford's strongest competitive advantages during the late 2020s. Why these three models matter. The automotive market is changing rapidly. Customers now expect vehicles to deliver better fuel economy, advanced driver assistance, large digital displays, smartphone connectivity, over-the-air software updates, improved reliability. Ford's future products are expected to address all of these demands. Instead of betting everything on one technology, Ford appears committed to offering multiple powertrain choices. This diversified approach reduces risk while allowing buyers to choose the vehicle that best fits their needs. Technology will be just as important as horsepower. One of Jim Farley's biggest priorities is software. Ford estimates that connected vehicle services will become an increasingly important source of future revenue. Upcoming vehicles are expected to feature faster computing systems, improved wireless updates, enhanced navigation, better smartphone integration, expanded Blue Cruise capabilities, more customizable digital dashboards. Experts note that software is becoming just as important as traditional mechanical engineering. Customers increasingly evaluate vehicles based on the quality of the digital experience as much as horsepower or towing capacity. Manufacturing investments support future products. Ford is also investing billions of dollars in manufacturing facilities throughout North America. These investments support battery production, electric vehicle assembly, hybrid manufacturing, advanced quality control, new powertrain development. Improved manufacturing processes should also help Ford reduce production costs while improving quality consistency. Many industry experts believe production efficiency will become one of the biggest competitive advantages during the next decade. Challenges remain. Despite the excitement surrounding Ford's future lineup, several challenges remain. The company continues to face intense competition from General Motors, Toyota, Hyundai, and Tesla. Rapidly changing EV demand, higher development costs, global supply chain uncertainty, increasing software complexity. Balancing investment between gasoline, hybrid, and electric vehicles will require careful execution. Fortunately for Ford, its broad portfolio gives it flexibility that many competitors lack. Expert perspective. Automotive analysts generally agree that Ford's strategy is becoming more balanced than it was several years ago. Instead of pursuing electrification at any cost, the company is now investing across multiple technologies based on actual customer demand. This diversified approach allows Ford to continue serving traditional truck buyers while preparing for the industry's long-term transition toward electrification. Experts also believe hybrids will play a much larger role than originally expected, particularly among truck and SUV customers who value towing capability, long-distance driving, and quick refueling. Meanwhile, Ford's next-generation affordable EV platform could become one of the company's most important technological developments if it delivers competitive pricing without sacrificing performance or quality. Final thoughts. While headlines often suggest dramatic reveals, the reality is more nuanced. Ford has not officially unveiled 3 specific production models for 2027. However, based on Jim Farley's public statements, Ford's investor presentations, and the company's announced product strategy, 3 major programs stand out: a future evolution of the F-150, a next-generation affordable EV platform, and a broader lineup of hybrid SUVs and trucks. Together, these initiatives reflect Ford's effort to balance innovation with market demand. Rather than relying on a single technology, the automaker is investing in gasoline, hybrid, and electric powertrains while placing greater emphasis on software, connected services, and manufacturing efficiency. If Ford executes this strategy successfully, its 2027 lineup could strengthen its position in the highly competitive truck and SUV market and better prepare the company for the next phase of the automotive industry.